Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A04s, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen on this device. First of all, click on one of your apps that you wish to use in this view, in my case Play Store. Now access background apps. If you are using tricky navigation, you can do that by tapping on this button with 3 lines. From background apps, tap on the icon of your app and select Open in split screen view from the list. Now tap on the other app. I will go with Chrome. If you wish to switch places, click on this icon with 2 arrows. If you can't see this option, you need to tap on those 3 dots in the middle of your apps. Now I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag the first app upwards or downwards and select Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!